Do you ever feel like a genius in Thai? But the moment you speak English, you feel like a 5 years old?
You have this big and smart idea, but they get stuck in your throat because you are trying to translate it every single word. That is the translate trap, and it's what my biggest struggle. Hi, and welcome to the From Thai to Try. I'm Pim, and my goal is to show you the real journey. We aren't going to be fluent overnight. We are starting with the beginning method. Keep it real, keep it simple, and building our foundation first. Now, I will share with you the beginning method. This means we are not trying to sound like a professor. We are focusing on 3 things to stop Thai brain from overthinking. Here are the 3 rules you can follow to achieve from this stage. Okay, let's start with the first one. The first one is the Toddler Rule. Allow yourself to speak in short sentences, 3 or 4 words. I go cafe, I drink tea. It sounds simple, but it stops the brain freeze. The second one is point and verb. Look at things in your room and just say action, like I use iPad, or I wear glasses. We will add big fancy adjectives later when we reach the advanced stage. And the last one, the safe vocabulary. Stop reaching for big fancy words. Use the words that you know 100%. Speech is more important than being fancy when you're starting out. In addition, I want to show you exactly how I use my AI to stay in this beginner zone. Watch this. I had a very complex thought in Thai, something about feeling เกรงใจ because it's late. Usually a beginner would freeze trying to translate this. But look at what happens. When I ask my AI to simplify it for me, it takes that huge Thai sentence and gives me just 3 words. Sorry, it's late. See, that is the beginning method. It's not perfect grammar, but the message is 100% clear. To help with visual learning, I highly suggest an app called Drops. And the app is look like this. It was I used to build my vocabulary without translating it. It shows you a picture and the English words together. It trains your brain to see an apple and think apple immediately. Instead of thinking apple first, it's perfect for beginning method. Well, I have moved past the beginning method and I want to help you do the same. Which of these 3 rules are you going to try today? Let me know in a comment. And I will help you simplify your first sentence. I need to go now and I will see you in the next level. Bye bye.